Kamdhenu Paints, a leading manufacturer of high-quality decorative paints in the country, presents Weather Classic Max Anti-Dust Exterior Emulsion with HD quality, a high-performance premium quality exterior paint with 5 years warranty. Weather Classic Max is a high-performance premium quality exterior paint which comes with properties like anti-dirt, water-resistant, low VOC, antifungal, algae-resistant. Weather Classic Max is 100% pure acrylic resin system which is considered to be the best protection against exterior degradation. Its light fast pigments, special additives and antifungal, anti-algae agents imparts excellent protection against alkali, fungal and algal growth for years, anti-dirt and excellent durability under extreme tropical conditions of heat, heavy rainfall and high humidity. It also enhances the richness in looks so as to add to the beauty and elegance of the buildings. Weather Classic Max. Type of finish: smooth with sheen finish. Coverage: 90 to 100 square feet per 2 coats. Shades: available in white and other shades. Pack size: all packs 1 litre, 4 litres, 10 litre and 20 litres. Application: it can be applied by brush, roller or spray. Usage: it can be applied on the exterior surfaces on both new and previously painted surfaces. Surface preparation required for Weather Classic Max. Surface to be painted is to be free from any loose paint film, dust or grease. Any previous growth of algae and fungus should be removed thoroughly by vigorous wire brushing and cleaning with water jetting. Fine cracks, holes, dent and other types of imperfection should be removed by using CamoCare wall putty or by filling imperfect area with a mix of white cement and fine sand in the ratio of 1:3. For freshly prepared surface, 3 months are required for curing and use Camo Prime Exterior Wall Primer first. Direction for use: apply 2 to 3 coats of Weather Classic Max by diluting 1 litre of Weather Classic Max paint with a maximum of 350 to 450 milliliter of water. Keep an interval of 4 to 6 hours between the 2 successive coats. Additional coat is required for horizontal surfaces like window top and ledges, etc. Kamdhenu Paints. Weather Classic Max. Experience the richness of anti-dust exterior emulsion with HD quality.